In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unprivate your YouTube videos. Maybe you uploaded a video as private, or you've been keeping your channel low-key, and now you're ready to let more people see your content. Whatever the reason, changing a video from private to public is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your browser and go to YouTube's homepage. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that owns the channel where the video is stored. If you have multiple accounts, double check that you're on the right one, otherwise you might not see the video you're looking for. In the top right corner of the YouTube homepage, click on your profile icon. This opens a small menu with a list of options related to your account and channel. From this menu, find and click on YouTube Studio. This is your creator dashboard, where you manage your uploads, analytics, comments, and all your channel settings. Once YouTube Studio loads, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on the section labeled Content. This is where all of your uploaded videos are listed, including public, unlisted, and private videos. Give the page a moment to load if you have a lot of content. Find the video you want to unprivate in the list. You'll see several columns such as title, restrictions, and visibility. In the visibility column, look for the current status of your video, which should say private. Right next to that word, there will be a small drop-down arrow. Click on this drop-down arrow to open the visibility options. A small menu will appear with different visibility choices. Select Public. Choosing public means that anyone can search for and watch your video on YouTube, and it can also appear in recommendations and on your channel page. After selecting public, YouTube will usually show a button or option to apply this change, often labeled Publish or Save. Click on Publish to confirm your choice. This step is important because it actually saves the new visibility setting and makes the video available to everyone. Once you've published, your video is no longer private. You can refresh the page to confirm that the visibility status now shows as public, and that's it. You've successfully unprivated your YouTube video.